Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2019 Mahindra XUV500, stock number 672A. It's ran from the 3rd 2018 and 12th 2021. It has a W6 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is W6 2.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The Dan door mirror. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, either AC controls, factory single stack stereo, front courtesy lock sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,